In packet tracer, if you see here, this is hub. This one is hub. If I take hub here, an example, I will connect this cable or these devices. I will put the hub in between. I connected this device from hub to this one and hub to this one. I can take one more PC here, one more PC here. We can connect to hub. How I connect? I can connect here like this. I can connect like this, and you can assign here also IP. So we can put the label. This is label. Just I put 1.3. How we will assign? We will go inside, go to desktop, go to IP config, click here and assign here like this. Here this is a label. Just I will put the label here 1.4. I will copy. I will go inside the computer, go to desktop, go to IP config, put here. Okay, this way we will assign the IP. Now example, if this machine is sending data to this machine, how we can check? You can click. This is a simulation. If you want to check the packet, you will click here. Then you will say this packet is sending from this to this. Okay, and see here, it go to this one and it is going to everyone. Again, it is going to everyone. When this guy is also replying, it is going to everyone. These guys are saying, no, I am not the one which you are sending. This machine will say, okay, I am the one. But the problem here, every time when he's going, he's sending to everyone. Again, they will say, this is not for me, but it will say, okay, this is for me. Again, this guy will reply. Again, it is going to everyone. So unnecessary traffic we are sending to this. If you see, let me do again. See here, this computer is sending from here to here the data. It will go here, then it will go to everyone, here and here and here. So they are saying this is not for us. This guy is saying this is for me, and he will reply back to this machine. It go here, but this hub is a dummy device. He will send to everyone. Why we are using this one? To connect more computer. Because if you want to connect more computer, example, you cannot connect. If you remember before what we told, if you want to connect more computer like this, you cannot connect. If you try to connect this here, it will give you cable cannot connect to that port. So in the olden days, what we are doing, we are using hub. We are using hub and we are connecting to hub. But the problem here, hub is doing the broadcast. Broadcast means sending to everyone. Broadcast means sending to everyone. So hub all the time, whenever this guy is sending here, that traffic is going to everyone. If you remember, this guy is sending the data from here to here, but it is going here and going here. This guy is not rejecting. This guy is rejecting. Again, when this guy is replying here, it is going again here and here. This guy is rejecting. This guy is rejecting. It is going here. Not only for single packet, all the packets is like this only. It is going everywhere. If you have 10 PC connected, all 10 PC will receive that one, all packets. So this is a hub. Hub is a dummy device. He is not going to store any information. Actually, hub should store. He should say, okay, this is my interface, this device is connected. And this is my interface, this device is connected. This is my interface, this device is connected. If hub is going to remember this information, he can see his table and he can forward that one. But hub is a dummy device. He did not store anything. He will do all the time broadcast. He will do all the time broadcast. He is sending like this, but it is going here and here. This guy is replying like this, but it is going here and here again. So we are saying hub is a dummy device. Nowadays we are not using hub. So what you need to see here, when we use this hub, it is sending to everyone. If I click here, if I show you again, this guy is sending here to here, and click this one, so packet will go here. Click one more time, so packet will go to next state, going to everyone. Again I will click one, it will come here. Then click one more time, it is going to everywhere. All the time it is going like this. It is not good. All the time whenever they are talking to each other, all the time it is going to everyone. Everyone here, see, everyone. If you have 10 computer, you will have all the 10 computer will get this information. So this is not good for network because he is sending unnecessary traffic. So what we will do, we will use switch. So this is a switch. What we will do here, we will delete this hub. Okay, and we will connect this switch. So I will take the cable from here. I will connect this cable from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. Okay, this is a switch. Switch is intelligent device. He is intelligent device. He is going to store the information here. If you remember, this is the MAC address of this computer. You remember that, right? This is the MAC address of this computer. Yeah, and you see here, this computer is having this MAC address. We have pasted already here. And now this computer is having, here, go here, click here. This is the MAC address for this computer. I will keep this here, information here. So by seeing that one, we will remember and go here, go to config, go to fast Ethernet, copy this, and you can paste this here. This computer is having this MAC address. So now you know that this computer is having this IP, this MAC address, this IP, this MAC address, this IP, this MAC address. Switch is using the MAC address. This is a layer 2 switch. So here, when I send example, now I will click simulation. If you want to check the packet, you will click this. Then you will say, you will select this. If you want to send data from here to here, first ARP will go address resolution protocol, and he will go here. It will go to everyone, and then this guy will reply, and it will come back. It will go here. Then you have the ARP, so it will go directly like this information. And one more information here, if you see, switch is maintaining the MAC table. Here in the switch, this is the switch. Inside we can go like this. We will see that later. Now I am giving overview only. He is maintaining one MAC table. If you press enable and write show MAC address table here, you can see switch is having the entry here. When this guy is sending the traffic here, switch make the entry here. First time switch will send to everyone. Switch will do the broadcast. Then he will make the entry here. He will say my interface, this one, F0 by 1. F0 by 1 is connected to one device whose MAC address is this one. He make entry here. And he say I have my interface F0 by 2. This one is connected to one device whose MAC address is this one. He will say this is that MAC address. And after that, when you are sending here, he will not do broadcast. He will send one to one. See, it will come directly to this computer only. And it will go directly back.